I have so many requests in my monsoon-inspired painting video. So here's the detailed step-by-step tutorial of raindrops. Firstly, make dots with white paint. Make every dot randomly. Make some long and some short drops. For a more realistic look, make little lines by dragging dots. It gives you the effect of water droplets lying down. Now add shade with color pencil according to your color theme. I am using dark blue color firstly and right side for making light shadow. Because I'm making light reflection on left side. You have to make it according to your art. Then adding shadow with lighter shades. And here the step-by-step tutorial of raindrops.